If a torn-out page is badly damaged or very fragile, it is best to reattach it using repair tissue. The supplies you will need are repair tissue, Demco Norbond adhesive, a paste brush, cheesecloth, 2 sheets of wax paper, a bone folder, a straight edge, a cotton swab, and rubber bands. Using a wet cotton swab and a straight edge, tear the tissue to the size needed. Place a sheet of wax paper under the damaged page. Brush Norbond to ensure that the edges are secure. Onto the damaged page, where you will apply the repair tissue, covering an area larger than your tissue. Align the edges and place the tissue over the tear. Pat off the excess adhesive with a cheesecloth. Cover the repair with wax paper and gently smooth with a bone folder. Close the book and secure with rubber bands, and let dry for 24 hours.